हेलो जी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज बात करेंगे हम विजुअल स्टोरी टेलिंग की, नॉट द यूजुअल वंस, सम क्रिएटिव वंस। ठीक है, तो बैठ के बात करते हैं। आप में से कुछ को इन टेक्निक का पता होगा, जिनको नहीं पता ये उनके लिए है। सो लेट्स गो। सी वी हैव बीन टेलिंग स्टोरीज विजुअली सिंस dawn of man. From that day we have perfected many techniques and we still use them today. There are certain rules to create a composition that you need to know. They say rules are meant to be broken. लेकिन अगर तुम्हें बेसिक रूल्स के नहीं पता तो whatever you're trying to make, it won't come out as you want it to. If a composition is not done well, it is tricky for the viewers and they will get confused. मुझे एक बात बताओ, what differentiates a good story from bad one? It's the story, right? नहीं, it's the execution of the story and the way it is told. It is about how you use visual storytelling techniques that complements your story. तो आज हम उसी की बात करेंगे. When it comes to composition, the very basic rule, the first rule is the rule of thirds. In this, आप अपने फ्रेम को horizontally और vertically 3 frames में divide करते हो. And when you place your subject on the intersecting points, you create an image that is pleasing to eyes. This is used in films all the times. When you use this simple technique, it can dramatically change a shot. When we are on a close-up, the eyes, as they say, are the windows to the soul. By placing the eyes on those intersecting points, it helps draw our attention on them. Another interesting form of composition is the use of central framing. By placing the subject in the dead center, like I'm right now. और Mad Max में एक sequence है जिसमें central framing पे focus है, so your eyes don't get distracted. Central framing allows us to play with my personal favorite type of shots, that is points. See, composition is all about directing the eye, and points can help you do that. Wide shots often use points to help draw your attention on them. For example, The Dark Knight जिसमें एक shot है of white cityscape. The camera slowly zooms into one of the buildings and a window suddenly shatters. Now it's a great example of using points, that is the window shatter, to grab your attention within a wide shot. Next, texture and patterns. Texture and patterns help us how we read image. Every object has a texture to it. Smooth, shiny, patterned, or somewhere in between. Even light can add different textures to an image. Texture and patterns helps in creating a tangible connection between audience and the imagery. For example, think of Blade Runner 2049. इस फिल्म का foggy texture gives a sense of mystery and isolation. और the film 300 जिसका सारा texture grungy है. That sets the tone for the film, that is violence and war. Next is space. Space is crucial in composition और इसे हम 2 categories में divide करते हैं, positive space and negative space. Positive space is the area given to your subject and the negative space is the area around your subject. This relationship can convey moods. The larger the object in a frame, the more dominance it has. For example, a wide shot would leave your subject isolated, or a close-up shot would make them dominant in a frame. Next is depth. A film is a 2D medium represented in a 3D space, and the best way to accomplish this illusion is with depth. इसमें हम फ्रेम को 3 सेक्शंस में डिवाइड करते हैं, द फोरग्राउंड, द मिड ग्राउंड एंड द बैकग्राउंड. इन दिस केस आई एम द फोरग्राउंड, द ट्री बिहाइंड मी इज द मिड ग्राउंड एंड द बैकग्राउंड इज द बैकग्राउंड. मेक सेंस? दीज लेयर्स नॉट ओनली क्रिएट डेप्थ बट ऑल्सो हायरार्की ऑफ मीनिंग. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैसे एक शॉट में फोकस शिफ्ट होता है तो नेचुरली हमारी आंखें उस फोकस शिफ्ट को फॉलो करती हैं. That is the natural phenomena. Next is balance. अब no matter how you use space or depth, a rule of thumb is that the frame should be balanced, only if it supports your story. A good technique to maintain balance is the rule of odds, which states that when shooting multiple subjects, it is pleasing for the group to be an odd number. For example, the white shots in the Justice League. Balance also means symmetry. Wes Anderson would often go for symmetrical framing in his films. Similarly goes for unbalanced framing if you want your audience to feel uneasiness. For example, in the film La La Land, featuring Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone, where Mia and Sebastian are dancing in the park, the subjects are balanced symmetrically, creating harmony, reflecting their love. Next is color. This not only directs attention, but also triggers psychological and emotional responses. Colors have the ability to make us feel specific emotion. Colors in a film can build harmony and tension within a scene or bring attention to a key theme. For example, in the film Godfather, the color orange is associated with death. Whenever there is orange color or the fruit itself, there is a chance something bad might happen. Next is angle. Angle is perspective. It's about what we are seeing and how we are seeing it. Do you remember the shot in Dark Knight जिसमें बैटमैन को डोमिनेंट दिखाया गया over his enemies? It was a low angle shot. Similarly, a high angle shot will make your subject look weak. The film Parasite portrayed the best use of angles. Watch it and you'll get the idea of what I'm talking about. So these were some visual storytelling techniques that I think might be helpful for you. अब visual storytelling में और भी बहुत सी चीज़ें आती हैं, like framing, camera movement and lens choices etc. Maybe that is for another video. अब watch time भी तो पूरा करना है. Yeah, that's it. If you feel I got something wrong, feel free to correct me down in the comments. I'll be more than happy. And this is Jan Aslam and I will see you on the other side. शॉर्ट्स जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट, हर बारी के यही है।